A car is not just a machine. It is an intimate part of one's life, one's heart. This is true for anyone who owns or drives a car. Just like the human body, a car engine requires proper maintenance and care. We just cannot feed it with whatever is available. Care keeps an engine in fighting condition. Negligence kills it. That is exactly the reason why I'm so fastidious in choosing the right engine oil for my car.
Welcome to our plant. Visitors need a safety briefing, please.
The main purpose of this safety briefing is, as long as you are with us in this plant, your safety is our responsibility. Safety for your own self, safety for the plant. Obey all warning signs and restricted areas. Follow PPE signage when you are inside the plant. Make sure you are fully compliant with the specific safety gear to visit a specific zone of the plant. Minimum PPE requirement are safety shoes, safety glasses, hand gloves and helmets. Always be alert to avoid any tripping, slipping or falling hazard. Wear visitor card at all times inside the plant, and you must be accompanied by LOBP personnel at all times. Please ask your sponsor if you have any doubt in anything. Please sign and acknowledge.
Yeah. Thank you. Here in our plant, we blend both Mobil and Omera engine oils by using raw materials supplied by Mobil, Aronnair, Infineum and other global giants. The base oil receiving point is here. We collect samples of the imported base oil for the vessels for quality check by our lab. Upon acceptance, the base oils are pumped through a dedicated pipe into respective storage tanks. We ensure the picking is done after the transfer of each of the crates to maintain the base oil integrity.
All the black large tanks are the base oil storage tanks. These tanks are the base oil day tanks, and those are the finished product storage tanks. The corrugated ones are the additive tanks. The inline blending system, equipped with a very high-tech software, controls the blending process. It draws appropriate quantity of raw materials from the various tanks to blend engine oils according to the formulation of any given products. Once blending is completed, the blended product is transferred to the finished product circulating tanks. Samples of the blended products are sent to the lab.
We carry out necessary quality checks of the blended products at 2 stages by using our most sophisticated lab facilities. The first check is done with the sample from the finished product tank, and the second check is done with the sample at the filling points.
Where is the oil?
You can't see it because it automatically goes from the filling nozzles into the packs. There is no risk of contamination. Everything is done inside the pan.
Amazing! This plant blends tons of lubricants, yet not a single drop is visible. As part of ongoing business expansion initiatives, MJL Bangladesh Limited, MJLBL, has installed grease, viscosity index improver and transformer oil plants. The products to be manufactured at these new plants will significantly add value to the existing product line of the company. At present, all the grease that is used within the nation is imported. The new grease plant will meet the total demand of premium grade greases in the country. The production capacity of the plant has been designed to increase production with rise of demand for product in the market. The Viscosity Index Improver plant is the first of its kind in Bangladesh. VI Improver is one of the essential components of multi-grade engine oils. The equipments installed at the plants are sourced from the world's leading manufacturers. And finally, the transformer oil plant. At present, most of the country's huge demand for transformer oil is met through imports. So, this new plant will allow the nation to supply its own transformer oil. The products to be manufactured at these plants will not only significantly add value to the existing product line of the company, but the contribution to the economy would be greater because these plants will produce import substitute products. The addition of these new plants will create new synergies and will provide enormous flexibility to better serve the growing demand of our valued customers.
I see much similarity between the preparation of tea and lubricants.
Yes, you are correct. Different grades of lubricants are uniquely blended by using different formulations.
We ensure 100% quality assurance by quality testing in 5 stages of our production process.
Mobil and Omero engine oils are currently blended in our blending plant by using the raw materials imported from the same supply sources.
You might have already realized that we strictly comply with the ExxonMobil standard for quality production. Of course, the job is not over with the quality production. It has to reach to the ultimate destination as and when required. With the assurance of product integrity and technical services and supports.
We are the sole producers and distributor of ExxonMobil products
In Bangladesh. As a matter of fact, we are certified by the ExxonMobil and GLC for the ISO 9001-2008.
We maintain adequate inventory of products to cater to the demands of our customers. And we have a sturdy supply chain network, which is managed by a team of highly skilled individuals. Our supply chain network is capable of ensuring delivery of products in any part of the country within the quickest time.
All this is very impressive. There are so many steps involved in taking the blended products and getting those to the customer points.
Well, actually, it doesn't end there. We provide unsurpassed after-sales services to our customers. In fact, we have a very strong team of dedicated engineers respond instantly to the customers for the appropriate solutions, including product information, recommendation of right lubricants, used oil analysis, troubleshooting, training, and other technical services.
The site came into being from an empty piece of land to a massive joint venture company established by ExxonMobil's Jamuna Oil Company and EC Securities, the same plant that began the legacy of Mobil in Bangladesh has added Omira in his product line.
Now, I'm heading towards the command center of all these operations.
Welcome to our headquarters. Let me show you our office. Please, meet our managing director.
How are you? Please take your seat. How was the trip?
Oh, excellent.
You've been able to go and see the plant?
Yes, I did. In fact, it was incredible.
Mobil Oil Corporation in those days actually came to Bangladesh in 1996. And probably you remember that Bangladesh government decided to relax the Petroleum Act 1974 to allow private sector participation in downstream oil industry. So they started developing initially with some of the premium products in the market. Later on, in 1998, they signed a joint venture. The joint venture was signed between Jamuna Oil Company and Mobil Oil Corporations. And later on, our company, EC Securities, which is actually a part of East Coast Group, and company active in oil and gas for last 30 years. And later on, Mobil Oil Corporation merged with Exxon. So, and then they became Exxon Mobil Corporation. And I must tell you that Bangladesh has been very lucky to have this opportunity. So we set up a plan in 2003, the state-of-the-art facilities to blend ExxonMobil products, means Mobil brand products, which is known all over the world. Fortunately, today we are very proud to say that this plant we call lube oil blending plant in Chittagong is the best in the whole of Asia region. And Bangladesh should be very proud of it. So this is one thing after being done. The second thing we have been able to do, which other companies could not do, is to really ensure that we do a transfer of technology. I mean, any products that you get from our plant is as good as the products you lift in London, Geneva, or anywhere across the world, because we meet the ExxonMobil standards quality 100%. You need to comply a lot of requirements, and those compliances, one of them we call it product quality management system. This is something beyond ISO. Whatever people talk about ISO is nothing if you compare it to a degree of or a good deal of requirement that one has to comply in blending plant. And this is what I do in this plant. Now, having all that, the good news I'd like to give you. The good news is, so far we don't have a national brand in this country. But this company, apart from blending Mobil brands, we have come out with our own brand. It's called Omera. So one can say that one can come out with a product which is very simple. But CNG technology is very new in this world. I think it's very recent for the last couple of years. And we decided to bring CNG as a challenge. So we brought the CNG product we call Omera, and its performance is fantastic. So already we have tested the market. The people who have picked up our products are absolutely happy. So that product is as good as the CNG product that we actually produce from ExxonMobil grades. And we believe that Bangladesh would be very proud to have this product as its national brand. And for your knowledge, we have already crossed our border. Our exports have probably reached about $500,000 last year, and we hope to do double this year. I am very proud of my team. I have a very strong team, and they have been doing fantastic job. And I think I am very proud to be a part of this company. And we hope to be the best company in this country in terms of any lubricants. And I can also assure you that in Bangladesh, you don't have to go to any other company for any lubricants. This all will be available from this blending. Now we are introducing Omera Lube 1. Omera Lube 1 is a synthetic oil, and it has been formulated using synthetic technology. This product actually protects wear and tear in driving conditions. and ensures a good driving in all conditions. Umbrella 1 has been formulated in our state-of-the-art lube oil blending plant using proprietary advanced technology and additives. Therefore, the product will remain stable in performance and it ensures an advanced performance of the car when you drive it and you really enjoy it.
This tour has been incredibly impressive.
MJLBN
Started with Mobil heritage and they're flourishing with Mobil and Omera like Siamese twins to meet the engine oil requirements not only in Bangladesh but also in the neighboring countries. Previously, Mobil had put Bangladesh on the map of the global oil enterprise, and now it's Omera's turn to ensure that the sun that Mobil brought in the Bangladesh sky shall never fade in its iridescent glory.